your reading companion.
A poor boy and a stranger. Long ago, in a busy city, there lived a poor boy named Aladdin. He was playful and sometimes lazy, but he had a good heart. One day, a stranger came to town. He told Aladdin he was his long-lost uncle, but in truth, he was a wicked magician. The magician led Aladdin to a secret cave filled with treasure. He told Aladdin to fetch an old dusty lamp from inside. But when Aladdin refused to hand it over before escaping, the magician grew angry and trapped him in the cave. The magic of the lamp. Aladdin sat in the dark, frightened. By chance, he rubbed the lamp, and suddenly a giant genie appeared in a flash of smoke. "Master, what is your wish?" the genie boomed. Aladdin was amazed. With the genie's help, he escaped the cave and returned home. From then on, whenever Aladdin rubbed the lamp, the genie appeared to grant his wishes. Aladdin's good fortune. With the genie's help, Aladdin and his mother lived in comfort. One day, Aladdin saw the Sultan's daughter, Princess Badrul Badur, and fell in love. With the genie's magic, he built a shining palace and married the princess. The magician's revenge. But the wicked magician returned. Disguised as a peddler, he tricked the princess into giving him the old lamp in exchange for a shiny new one. Once he had the lamp, the magician ordered the genie to carry Aladdin's palace and the princess far away. Aladdin's courage. Aladdin was heartbroken, but he did not give up. With the help of a magic ring he still had, he called a smaller genie who carried him to the faraway land. There, Aladdin bravely fought the magician, won back the lamp, and freed the princess. A happy ending. With the genie's power and his own courage, Aladdin returned the palace to its place. The Sultan was overjoyed, and Aladdin and the princess lived happily ever after. Themes and lessons. Bravery. Aladdin never gave up, even when trapped or tricked. Wisdom. Greed and lies, like the magician's, lead to trouble. Kindness and courage. With a good heart and courage, even ordinary people can do great things. Ready for more? Watch this next.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.